If your skin isn't glowing, your diet might be silently aging you. Forget the pricey serums, the trendy facials, or the endless lineup of skincare products cluttering your bathroom shelf. What you put on your plate shows up on your face, and in many cases, it shows up fast. While most people chase glow with highlighters and hydrating masks, some of the most radiant women in the world have unlocked a deeper, more lasting secret. They eat for their skin. Asian women, especially in places like Korea, Japan, and parts of Southeast Asia, have quietly mastered the art of eating for ageless, luminous skin. No injections, no filters, no 10-step skincare routines. Just smart, skin-loving choices at every meal. So what's their secret? It starts with understanding a beauty term that's gone global: glass skin. This isn't just another viral trend. Glass skin describes a complexion that's so clear, smooth, and deeply hydrated, it reflects light like a sheet of glass. Imagine skin that glows naturally, without a trace of dryness or dullness. But here's what most people get wrong. Glass skin isn't something you can fake with makeup or a single product. It's not about perfection, it's about health, from the inside out. You can pat on dewy serums all day long, but if your gut is inflamed, your collagen is breaking down, or your cells are thirsty, that glow won't last. That's why the true path to glass skin starts in the kitchen. In Asian beauty philosophy, the skin is a mirror of what's going on inside your body. If something's off with your digestion, your hormones, or your hydration, your skin will show it, fast. Instead of hiding blemishes or pumping the face full of filler, the focus is on balance and nourishment. What you eat either builds up your skin or breaks it down. That means meals rich in antioxidants, collagen-boosting nutrients, and ingredients that calm inflammation. It's not about restriction or eating less. It's about choosing foods that help your body heal and hydrate at the cellular level. When your body is balanced, your skin glows naturally. One of the core ingredients Asian women often rely on is collagen. Collagen is the protein that holds your skin together. It's what keeps it firm, plump, and smooth. But after age 25, your body starts producing less of it. That's when the first signs of aging quietly creep in. Fine lines, loss of elasticity, and that dull, tired look. But here's the good news. You can boost collagen naturally. One of the easiest ways? Collagen peptides. These powdered supplements are flavorless, dissolve into drinks like tea or smoothies, and go straight to work nourishing your skin from within. Think of it as skincare you can drink, vital proteins. Collagen peptides is a trusted favorite, easy to digest, and packed with the amino acids your body needs to rebuild healthy, youthful skin. Another quiet hero of the glass skin diet is Matcha green tea. This vibrant green powder is more than just a trendy cafe drink. Matcha is loaded with antioxidants, especially one called EGCG, that fights off the damage caused by pollution, stress, and UV rays. In Korea and Japan, sipping matcha is more than a habit. It's a ritual, a moment to slow down, breathe, and flood your body with nutrients that protect and calm your skin. Daily matcha not only supports clear skin, but also reduces inflammation, helps balance hormones, and even boosts focus. If you're looking for a clean, reliable option, Jade Leaf's ceremonial-grade organic matcha delivers quality and taste in every cup. And let's not forget the gut. Gut health is equal to skin health, and they're deeply connected. More than most people realize. When your digestive system is balanced and thriving, it shows on your face. That's why fermented foods are such a staple in many Asian diets. Kimchi, miso, natto, and even pickled vegetables provide natural probiotics that support a healthy microbiome. But if those aren't your thing, a daily probiotic supplement can make all the difference. Garden of Life's Women's Probiotic is designed to support digestion, boost immunity, and give your skin that bright, clear look that comes from within. A happy gut is often the missing link between good skin and glowing skin. So what does eating for glowing skin actually look like? Let's walk through a simple day on the glass skin diet. Nothing complicated, just smart, skin-supporting choices. Start your morning gently. Before you reach for caffeine, drink a glass of warm water with lemon to kickstart digestion and flush out toxins. Then, brew a calming cup of matcha and blend up a smoothie with collagen peptides, berries, spinach, and almond milk. This combo hydrates, energizes, and fuels your skin with antioxidants and protein. For lunch, keep it clean and colorful. Grilled salmon provides omega-3s and healthy fats to reduce inflammation and keep your skin smooth and supple. Pair it with seaweed, cucumber salad, and kimchi for an extra boost of vitamins, minerals, and probiotics. Great for glowing skin. For a snack, go for nature's candy. Fresh berries or roasted sweet potato. Both are nutrient-rich and won't spike your blood sugar like sugary snacks. Dinner is your chance to nourish. Bone broth with tofu, leafy greens, and rice offers collagen, minerals, and plant-based protein. It's comfort food with a glow-up. Now, to maintain glowing skin, some foods should be limited or avoided. Sugar is a big culprit. It breaks down collagen, leading to sagging, dullness, and wrinkles. Dairy can trigger acne and inflammation for some people. Ultra-processed foods are packed with preservatives and additives that stress your system and skin. No need for perfection, but reducing these can make a big difference. Instead, focus on nourishing your body with hydrating, antioxidant-rich foods. When you fuel your body with real ingredients, your skin will reflect that inner health. While food is the foundation, a few supplements can elevate your results. Collagen peptides rebuild your skin's elasticity, while probiotics keep your gut and skin balanced. For deep hydration, hyaluronic acid is a must. It can hold 1,000 times its weight in water, helping your skin stay plump and hydrated, especially in dry climates. These supplements aren't magic, but they've been used for decades in Asian beauty routines to help women maintain youthful skin well into their 40s and 50s. Glowing skin is also about how you live. The women who age gracefully often have consistent habits that support their whole body. They take their time when eating, chew slowly, and savor their meals. They prioritize sleep and avoid stress eating late at night. Hydration is crucial. Drink plenty of water. Add sea salt or lemon for better absorption. Moving your body daily, whether through walking, stretching, or yoga, also supports skin health. And managing stress is key. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which breaks down collagen and causes skin inflammation. A calm mind often leads to calm, clear skin. You don't need a shelf full of serums or a 10-step routine to glow. What you need is food that nurtures your skin, water that hydrates you, and habits that keep your body balanced. When you nourish from the inside out, your skin will glow naturally, beautifully, and effortlessly. That's the real secret. If you're ready to keep glowing, stay tuned for more tips that will help you feel good in your skin without overcomplicating things. Until then, eat well, sleep well, and drink your water like it's your beauty serum. Ready to glow from the inside out? Download your free glass skin grocery checklist, linked below in the description. It includes everything we talked about today and more. And if you loved this video, make sure to subscribe for more longevity and beauty secrets from around the world. Next up, our glass skin skincare routine, the perfect follow-up to what you just learned. Don't miss it. Want to try the products mentioned in this video? Check the description below for affiliate links. We only share products we love and personally recommend.